Today we are planning to cover the points related to how to join an existing company, and I'll give a brief introduction about how the employee dashboard will be, and also how to configure the mobile app for the employees. So, as you know, you can see we have an option to join a company in the BioTime system. So, consider you are an associate or you are a partner of a company which is been already registered. So you want to join that company as an associate. So you have to follow the following steps which I am explaining. So you can see initially we'll have to go to the sign up option of the company URL which you are planning to associate with. So once you go there, you will have to sign up with your like uh, email ID and credentials. Once it's done, you will receive an activation email, which will be sent to the account of, sorry, you can see the screen, I hope. So you'll be receiving some activate email like this. So once you click activate, and you'll get an option same as like how you create a company. Then from here, you have to choose the join a company option. So once you choose join a company, you will have to provide the company URL, company name of the associate company which you are planning to join to. So it will be like this. When you click on a join a company, it will display a screen with the details of your mail ID and the company URL which you will have to provide. So this acrylic is already being a active company which you are planning to associate with. So once you click continue, an email notification will be sent to the admin of this particular company. So once they approve, you will be able, the admin will be receiving an email like this. So once they approve, then you will be able to log into the particular company using your email ID and the password you have been created. So I'll give you an example how the associated screen will be. So as you can see, this is an acrylic, as I showed in the screenshot. This is a company which you are planned to associate with. So as you have seen, once the admin is approved, you will be able to see the user account already available in the system like this. So I requested using this email ID, and you can see it's already been available here. So once a user account is created, you will have to provide them like authorization to area, or you have to create a privilege in the system and provide the privilege to the user, so according which they can have access in the software once login. So same way we have one more option to consider if you have an existing child company. Okay, same like this. You consider this acrylic.biotimecloud.com is an child company of Beatles. So you want to join these two companies. So this is also possible. This is also considered as a join as company option. So once you log into your BioTime Cloud account, from here you will be seeing an option to join as a company. So once you click this, you will have to provide the company name, and this will send a request to the company name to join to your company. So you can see what I did was, from the Beatles account, I clicked join a company option, and I provided the child company name here, acrylic. Once I click confirm, it will send a request to the admin of acrylic.biotimecloud.com. So once this account holder is approved, then you will be seeing that this acrylic also associated to the parent account. So it will be available like this in the dashboard. So you can see this is the child company which is being already associated and joined through the option as a join a company. So when you click here, you will be able to see the overview of the account. Like you can see like how many employees enrolled, the present absent details, number of devices connected, and overall status is how many like devices are online, offline, like that. So this kind of like overview you will be able to get from the admin account. So these are the two methods to join a company. Either you can join as an associate and it will be displayed as an account in the user, and you can provide the privilege for the user to use. Or if you have an existing company and you want to join into an like a master company, or parent company. From the parent company, you have to send request to join company to the child company. So once child company admin approves the request, they will be able to uh, connect with the master account. So this is how the two method we can join two companies, or you can join as an associate for a company. Then coming on the next, I'll show you like how you can create an employee, as well as how you can connect the mobile app to the employee account. So here you can see like while clicking add, you can add the employee to the system. So you'll have to give an unique employee ID, the first name, the mandatory fields as mentioned here, highlighted here. You have to choose the department details and area. Once you create, it's mandatory to give an email account, email here. Then after that, you will have to go to the mobile app settings, from where you will have to give the access to the account. So I have already created a few accounts here. So I'll show you one account, 101. So I have created an employee with the details, and you can see the mobile app settings I have put enabled. Okay. So, and the app role is employee. You can give either employee or admin access to the user according to the user privilege need to be given. Then coming on here, you can see there is attendance settings option, from where you can reset the password of the self login account of the employee. Okay. Once this is configured in the software, you will be able to log into mobile app using the email ID and the password you set on the attendance settings option. So for that, I have already recorded a video. I'll share you how in the mobile app this configuration have to be done. So you can see here, this is the BioTime Cloud app. So once you open the application, you will be able to see an area where you can provide the email ID, then the password. Second one is the password column. After that, you will have to provide the company name. So you will have to correctly pass the company name here, and once you agree, you can click log into the app. So once you log in, you will be able to see a dashboard like this. So in the dashboard, you can see there is an login, punch in option. You can click here and do a punch in. And here you can see the icon to go and display the menus available in the system. And you can get the overall status of the transaction which you have done. So when we click on the menu, you will be getting a screen like this, which will display like available menus according to your user privilege. Then coming back, you can see like when we click on the punch, it will display an pop-up menu like this, from where you can choose a function key, whether it's check-in or check-out, and you can click OK to punch in from the mobile app. So this is how the configuration is being done. So the main thing you'll have to check is that the in the login screen you will have to provide the email ID associated with the employee ID. Then the password you have set on the attendance settings. Then after that, the company name, which company domain, same as I showed in the example, acrylic.bytecloud.com. You will have to give the company name here and click confirm to login. So additionally, we have one more option, like from the web itself, the user will be having an login option. So in the self login also, I'll give you a brief about it. So I'll share the screen. Okay. So I'll have to give the employee ID here, then give the company name. So once it's verified, give the password to log in. So you'll be able to see a dashboard like this, and you'll be only having access to this attendance module from the self login. So self login, you can see here that there are options to like send approval requests. Like you can see on the screen, there is leave approvals, overtime, analogs, training. So these details you can send from the user login itself or from the mobile app. So you can see there are approval options also for the same. Like if you're an admin user, you can approve the request sent by the employees from here. Going down, you will have other functions like holiday management, holiday list details you can see. Then this is the outdoor module. If it's assigned from in the software, the outdoor schedule related details will be able to see, and outside punch related records will be listed under the outdoor management option. Going down, we have in the system. So you can see from the time card, you can see the raw transaction data. So this is a punch which I did today using the ID 101 and the transaction date, then the punch time related details also it will be displayed here. Same way we have available further multiple reports which all will be providing you the details related to the self employee login. So this will be it for the self login. They will be only having access to specific reports and approval requests modules which they can use to send the approval request as well as um, viewing their own transactions, a real-time transaction, as well as the exporting process also they can do from the reports. So I hope that will be it. Now you can brief me like, if you have any questions related to the topic I have explained. So I hope that will be it. So like we'll wind up the call and we'll be coming back with another session shortly.